Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I decided to start this tutorial with my hair already prepped and slicked up into this Kayla Nicole ponytail type of situation. To do that, you're going to need your gel of choice. This definitely isn't my gel of choice, but it was on hand. In combination with some hairspray. Tie that down and really let it set under the scarf. I'm not gonna lie, mine is a day old, so it's a little bit curly, but don't forget to do your edges because the wind does blow and you don't want to be caught slipping out here. Now this is where you would usually place a braid, but I have a problem braiding my whole ponytail because it's so thick, so instead I used hair ties. Now allow me to introduce you to the star of this show. It is braiding hair. Yes, cheap little braiding hair. If your hair has any little kinks or anything in it, go ahead and get the knots and stuff out right now. Then you're going to divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Take a hair tie, wrap one end around the hair, then pull it into the other loop like this, creating a hair tie with the hair. Then you're just going to simply tie it around your ponytail. Once tied, you'll be left with 2 sections. Make sure you move them towards the front of your hair so your bangs can be touching your forehead. Excuse my daughter. Then you're going to take the other piece and gradually wrap it around your ponytail or braid. I did add a little hairspray just to keep it nice and sleek. I decided to take a rubber band to secure the end of my ponytail with the braiding hair just for more control over how I style the bun. But this step is optional. You can really just wrap it around or do whatever. For me, I just decided to curve my ponytail underneath and then secure it with the elastic band. But bobby pins are more ideal. I just didn't have any on hand. Now it's time for the most challenging part of it all, the bangs. Take your paddle brush, smoothing it out real good so you can see the length that you are working with. Now I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what the I am doing right now. I got my little Play Kid scissors. I thought it would be easier for me if I cut a sort of base with my bangs. Starting off cutting my bangs shoulder length with the sides in mind. Then I'm going to take the middle section and just cut it straight across because again, I don't know what I'm doing, but I made it do what it did. Okay, chill. Before you turn the video off, just know this is a trusted process type of situation. It's gonna look a little scary at first, but now since we got the base together, we can really start going to work with these scissors. The key to perfect bangs is cutting at an angle. Make sure you're always cutting at an angle. Make sure you're checking your progress between cuts because you could really cut a lot and not even know it. Grab the weakest patterns that you know. You just need the slightest amount of heat to really press the hair out. Then we're just going to do some cuts like this to create more of a sparse look, meaning to thin out the thickness and to gradually get rid of some of that length. Cutting at a downward angle, make sure you put your head up to check your progress. good thing about this hairstyle is that it is very forgiving. If you cut your bangs too short in a certain area, you could literally just put it up in the bun. If it's too thick, you could put some of the hair up in the bun, just like you see me doing right here. Again, bobby pins will be ideal for this moment, but I didn't have any on hand, so it looks a little bit messy, but I'm kind of into it. Remember, take your time, just keep cutting. This is like blending. This is like pouncing your beauty blender on your face with makeup. Then to complete the look, all you're gonna do is bump your bangs and you're ready to start taking baby powders.
That's cute. Make your side just a little shorter.
Bitch.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, she's a miracle. Oh, 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 she's a bad bitch. Period.